How to sign up for Tim Hortons account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser. In the source bar, you need to search for Tim Hortons sign up. Different sites will be visible to you. Head over to the very first site, sign up. It will land you on this official page. Select the country or the region and then click on apply. Now you will see the option to sign in or to sign up. Head over to sign up in order to create an account. Enter the information. First of all, enter your first name and then enter your email address. Once you have entered, click on this checkbox and then tap on Create an account. Wait for a while for it to load. Now you will need to enter the verification code that you will be receiving in the email address that you have set. Once you have entered the email address, tap on Done. And there you go, you have been successfully signed up for Tim Hortons account. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.